Mental health isn't just about thinking positive or doing yoga once in a while. It's a whole ecosystem: how you treat your body, what you feed your mind, who you surround yourself with, how you deal with stress, and whether you're being honest with yourself. It's okay if you're not feeling okay right now. This isn't about fixing yourself. It's about taking small, doable steps to feel better over time. Let's break it down. 1. Start with the basics: sleep, food, and movement. Sleep, this is your reset button. Sleep is a huge deal. It's not just rest, it's when your brain cleans up emotional clutter, resets your stress hormones, and helps you wake up not feeling like a zombie. Most people need between 7 to 9 hours a night. If you're regularly getting less than that, your brain is running on fumes. A few tips: try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends if possible. Avoid screens an hour before bed. The blue light messes with your body's melatonin production. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. Your bedroom should feel like a sleep cave, not an office or a TV lounge. Eat like you actually care about yourself. We're not talking about some perfect diet here, it's just basic nourishment. Your brain is part of your body, and if your body's running on sugar crashes, caffeine overload, or skipping meals, your mood is going to tank. What helps? Eat a mix of real foods. Think colorful veggies, fruits, whole grains, lean protein like chicken, fish, beans, and healthy fats like avocado or nuts. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can mess with your energy and mood. Pay attention to how food makes you feel. That 3 p.m. donut might taste amazing, but if it leads to a crash that makes you want to nap under your desk, it might not be worth it every day. Move your body, even just a bit. You don't need to run marathons or go full beast mode at the gym. Just move. Walk around the block, stretch, dance in your kitchen while making dinner. Why it matters: movement releases endorphins, those feel-good brain chemicals. It helps shake off anxious energy. It builds confidence and gives your brain a break from overthinking. Start small, even 10 to 20 minutes a day can make a difference. 2. Manage what's happening in your head. Mindfulness. Learn to catch your thoughts. Mindfulness isn't about becoming some perfectly calm Zen master. It's just the practice of noticing your thoughts and emotions without getting completely hijacked by them. Try this. Sit still for 5 minutes. Notice your breathing. Notice when your mind wanders. Gently bring it back. That's it. That's mindfulness. You're not doing it wrong. You can also use apps like Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer to guide you through it. Journaling. Get it out of your head. Sometimes your brain feels like a browser with 73 tabs open. Journaling is like hitting close all on the ones that are spinning you out. Try these. What's one thing I'm feeling today and why? What's something I'm grateful for, even if it's small? What's stressing me out and what can I actually control about it? You don't have to write a novel. Just unload your brain, challenge your inner critic. If your inner voice is constantly saying stuff like, "I mess everything up," or "everyone else has it together except me," that voice is lying to you. Instead of just accepting those thoughts, ask yourself, is this 100% true? What would I say to a friend who thought this about themselves? What's a more realistic way to look at this? It's not about blind positivity. It's about being fair to yourself. 3. People matter a lot. Connect with supportive humans. You don't need a giant friend group or a full social calendar, but you do need a few people who see you, hear you, and don't make you feel like too much or not enough. Even a quick chat, walk, or message exchange can boost your mood. Don't underestimate how good it can feel to feel seen. If you're isolated, think about joining something. A book club, a hobby group, a volunteer gig. Even online communities can help you feel less alone. Protect your energy. Not everyone deserves unlimited access to you. If certain people leave you feeling drained, anxious, or small, it's okay to set boundaries. You don't have to justify protecting your peace. That might mean saying no, speaking up, or taking space. It's not rude, it's self-respect. 4. Make space for joy and meaning. Do stuff just because it feels good. Seriously. Life can't just be chores and productivity. Make time for the things that make you lose track of time. even if you're bad at them. Some ideas, drawing, singing, writing, hiking, puzzles, baking, dancing, planting things, fixing stuff, playing games, even watching a comfort show or movie can be healing when it's intentional. Have a reason to get out of bed. This doesn't have to be huge, but having something to work toward, no matter how small, gives your brain a sense of direction. Try a new skill you're learning, a project you're working on, a routine that anchors your day, a small goal like take a walk before checking my phone. Progress feels good, even baby steps count. 5. Know when to get help. There's zero shame in needing help. If you broke your arm, you'd go to a doctor. Your mental health deserves the same care. Therapy can help with anxiety, depression, past trauma, burnout, big life changes, or just feeling stuck. Sometimes therapy isn't enough on its own. Medication might be part of the solution, and that's okay too. Talk to a doctor or psychiatrist to explore what makes sense for you. If you're ever feeling overwhelmed, hopeless, or thinking about hurting yourself, please don't go through it alone. In the US, call or text 988. Someone will listen and help. 6. Little lifestyle tweaks that add up. Cut back on social media. Compare less, connect more. Watch your substances. Alcohol, nicotine, weed, or too much caffeine can mess with your mood. Simplify. Declutter your space, your calendar, and your to-do list. Celebrate tiny wins. You showered? Victory. You texted a friend back? That counts. Want help starting a routine? Starting a